The Road King, is it coming back? Is it completely X'd out? First we saw that the Road King Classic was gone, and we were left with just the Road King Special. And then this year the Road King Special is gone, so now there's no Road King on the 2026 platform. They're gonna relaunch it, repackage it up, they're gonna remodel it, launch it for 2026. I feel like they fail with that every time. Would it be worth it? I don't know. All right, 2026, no more Road King. Road King has been axed.
You see tears? That's like one of my favorite bikes.
Is it? I think it's a pretty cool bike.
When they got up to the ridiculous price of you could buy the street glide for the same money, I was like, wow.
Yeah.
Because they had it up for $25,999, whatever. I'm like,
we got to talk about what's gonna happen though, because first we saw that the Road King Classic was gone, right, a year or two
which
ago.
needed to go because it was a 107 and some of the stuff was old on it or whatever.
So that was gone, and then we were left with just the Road King Special. And then this year the Road King Special is gone, so now there's no Road King on the 2026 platform. But my idea, not my idea, but what I think is gonna happen is that they're gonna relaunch it. They're gonna repackage it up. They're gonna remodel it maybe and launch it for 2026.
They made like a sporty one, like a Road Glide ST with like a bikini fairing or whatever.
I think there might be two versions of it, and this is just speculation. This is just us in the garage talking shit.
This is wishful thinking.
Yeah, wishful thinking. What would be cool was if they came out with two options, right? Like the Road King, your regular Road King
with chrome,
right? With chrome, and then the Road King ST.
Yes.
Right.
With black.
Yeah. So it would be like.
And the new bodywork.
Right. So I'm thinking
maybe like a mini fairing, like a small fairing, like a not as big as that.
That's an option.
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe like the bags that are on the baggers right now, those chop bags.
Yeah.
Maybe you add like a detachable type of fairing. Like remember what the Sport Glide had?
Yeah, like that.
Something like that.
Like a T-Sport fairing.
Yeah, something like that, detachable. You know. And that could be the ST version of it. Obviously, with you could put the 117 high output on it.
121, yeah.
I doubt
121 because that's CVO too.
So it'll be like a 117 and then the 117 high output, just like the Lowrider ST is, right?
Yeah.
So you got two combinations. So you have like a classic looking Road King
117, which is in the Street Bob and the Heritage.
Yeah, and then you have the ST version of it, which is sport version, right? A little more amenities, a little fairing, bags,
shorter fenders,
right? Shorter, just stuff like that. Bigger engine, obviously, with the high output. Not
like
bigger
LEDs
engine, but more.
and everything, make it nice.
Yeah, different. I mean, the bike will totally have to be redesigned. Like that brand new headlight, totally different. It would be a brand new Road King.
Yeah.
Do you think that's where we're at right now?
I hope so. I'd love to see that. Because some people don't like the fairings. At least if you could take the thing off.
Detachable. I don't know. I just think like the Road King has
run its course.
Not run its course.
It came out in 1994, so it's not that old.
No, I don't.
I mean, it's 6. It's 32 years old.
I think it just needed a refresher. I think it's like, all right, well,
like when they did the softail though.
Yeah, everything else is getting revamped, and the Road King is still kind of like what we've been seeing for the last few years.
I think that's why they got rid of it. So they don't make any more body work like that.
Do you think that'll sell? Well, what I just talked about, having the two options.
If it's priced right. It's got to be a couple grand below. It can't be the same price as a Street Glide or a Road Glide. Well, Road Glide's $2 more than a Street Glide anyway. So it's got to be lower.
What do you think, like 24,000 or something?
No, what's it? The cheapest Street Glide now is $24,999 with that
solo package.
$22,999.
$22,999. Yeah, like 23,000.
And then the other one cheaper than that, like 1,000 cheaper.
Because the other one will be kind of chrome.
Yes. Yeah, so you do the difference. What's $1,400 for black?
The classic looking one and then the sporty one.
So like $1,500 difference.
I think people will be bitching and complaining about, well, this is not the Road King. This is not what the Road King used to look like.
Yeah, you can make the Heritage looks kind of like the old Heritage, so why can't you make a Road King look like kind of like the old Road King?
Yeah.
Just not as old looking.
Right.
like you said, the center fill gas tank and the better gauge and everything, you know.
I just think that would be pretty exciting, just giving people the option for that.
Yes.
Not something boring, because
And the sales slumped off, but that's also because of their pricing. Because if they were cheaper than the dressers and the baggers, they would have sold. But they were the same price.
I think the Roking just got boring.
Yeah.
I think that's what it was. I think the fact that everything around the softail lineup and everything around the baggers, everything was getting revamped, and then the Roking was just left.
It just kind of fell by the roads.
Yeah, so people weren't paying attention to it.
Nah.
How are people going to pay attention to that when it is not changing and every other bike is changing, and then they're spending a lot of focus on other bikes?
Yeah.
Like the big focus bikes in the last few years are the baggers.
Baggers in 24, 25.
The Pan America kind of, the ST. Now last year we saw the ST rebuilt because I kind of forgot about that bike.
The sport models, yeah.
Prior to that, they had the Nightster and
every year it's been something.
But not the.
So this year, besides the Sprint, we kind of need the Road King.
What do you guys think about that idea of having two options for the Road King? I
like it.
How about, and what if they just got rid of it? And maybe they might bring it back within a few years.
That's the assumption. I mean, they took the breakout away for a few years, and then they brought it back.
Well, from the American market.
Yeah.
Because it was still available in Europe.
Yeah.
But what if if there is going to be no Road King for the next year or two?
Then it might build up
momentum.
Not momentum. Build up demand.
Demand for it. Would there be a lot of demand for a Road King?
It's hard. Some people don't want all the technology that the new bikes have.
Some people don't.
You know, they're talking about bring back the electric light standard. I'm like, yeah.
I feel like they fail with that every time. The last time they brought it out, it was like a total epic fail. It's like nobody was buying that bike.
Wow.
Because for a few more thousand,
for a couple grand more, you could buy a freaking street glide.
Yeah, and have a lot more stuff on it. So it's like, would it be worth it?
No.
I don't know. What do you guys think? Drop your thoughts in comments down below. The Road King, is it coming back? Is it completely axed out? Might be. Or do you like the idea of having a revamped Road King, having like a classic version of it and the sport version of it? The ST version of it. What do you think about that? Drop your thoughts in your comments down below. Let us know what you think. I'm hoping it comes back. The Road King is pretty cool.
And an ST would be awesome.
Yeah. We'll see. Like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby.
Peace.
Peace. Scissor.